Hi! In front of me is Vivo IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can resize the icons. First of all, just hold your device's display and click on Home Settings at the bottom right corner. Then you need to tap on rounded corners and size of icons and swipe left or right on this icon slider in order to adjust them. You can check out preview above. So now when I go back, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!